Mahindra showcased the all-electric Atom Quadricycle concept at the 2018 Auto Expo, and then in near production form at the 2020 Auto Expo. The Atom was also spotted testing on road couple of times. It was planned to launch in 2020, but its production and launch plans were delayed due to the pandemic. Apart from the looks and visible features, not much has been heard about the Atom Quadricycle, especially the tech specs. Finally, a new RTO document shared online reveals some answers we need. As can be seen in the above document, it will be offered in a choice of 4 variants, K1, K2, K3 and K4. The base variants K1 and K2 get 7.4 kWh battery pack, while the top 2 K3 and K4 variants will be powered by 11.1 kWh battery pack. The Quadricycle is driven by 11 horsepower electric motor. Air conditioning is restricted to K2 and K4 variants. Curb weight of the Mahindra Atom ranges from 434 kg to 458 kg, depending on the variant. Dimensionally, the Atom looks similar size to the petrol and CNG-powered Bajaj Qute, which is also its primary rival. Bajaj is also working on electric version of the Qute. The Atom is essentially a 2-door, 4-seater vehicle that will primarily be aimed at the fleet segment for first and last mile connectivity. Based on a Monocoque chassis, the Atom has a boxy and upright design with its wheels pushed to the corners, giving it very short overhangs. It also gets a large glasshouse that adds to the sense of space inside. Overall, it looks like boxy designed pods. Interiors of the Mahindra Atom will be basic. The door panels and wheel arches are devoid of padding or insulating material to keep the cost in check. The simple plastic dashboard has a utilitarian appeal to it. The Atom comes with a single seat at the front for the driver, and a bench seat at the rear that can seat up to 3 passengers. Higher spec variants getting air conditioning, a mobile docking station, and 4G capability with connected technology. It can even be equipped with a rear entertainment screen. These comfort features came to light at the Auto Expo, so it's a wait and watch until launch to confirm on the same. When it goes on sale, the Atom will be a very unique vehicle, as currently there's nothing similar to it that exists in India. It will combine the practicality of a 3-wheeler, and still have the conveniences and safety of a 4-wheeler to a smaller extent. Expected to be introduced sometime in mid-2022, the Mahindra Atom Electric is estimated to have a start price point, a little over 3 lakh rupees ex-showroom. The vehicle's sales performance would prove to be a valuable insight for other players, who are interested in this segment. Thanks for watching.